Anisha Mathur now joining us on the broadcast. So Anisha, it is clear that in a scenario that he is impeached, it will really be the first case in India. But what is the current situation like? Because it has been proven that he misled investigators. He is a tainted judge. What's expected next? Because earlier also there was an attempt to shield him.
Well, Suresha, at this moment, we cannot say what has been proven or not proven. Remember, the information that we have is on the basis of an in-house inquiry report, which is not, in fact, a police investigation. It is not considered an investigation of the sort that we know. That means that somebody has been proven guilty. The in-house inquiry report is essentially seen as a inquiry into the situation, into what the judge has to say and what the allegations against him are. Now, when this matter has been referred by the Chief Justice to the President, it is now for the Parliament to take up this issue. Once the Parliament takes up this issue, and as Akshita was just explaining, we will see an in-house, the committee of set up by the parliament also, which will include a judge of the Supreme Court, it will include a senior jurist and other persons. So when it comes to impeachment, it has intentionally been created as a very, very difficult procedure. We will need political consensus because we need two-third majority in the parliament. What we do also need is of course, approval of the judiciary to also initiate an FIR against the judge, considering that this may well be a case of corruption. But all of that will happen only after these proceedings are concluded. So at the moment, what we do know is that the in-house panel of the judiciary has said that Justice Yashwant Verma tried to lie, tried to mislead the panel, tried to deny all allegations, but the panel has looked into the allegations. The panel has inquired from various police officials, fire department officials. The panel has spoken to his staff, people who came in when the fire had broken out, the fire department officials, and on the basis of that, the preliminary, the in-house panel report that has gone to the Chief Justice seems to indicate that the panel is saying that Justice Verma has lied, and Justice Verma was given a chance to respond to the Chief Justice also.
Right.
And from what we do know, he has not yet agreed to resign. So now all eyes will be on the Parliament, whether the government can build consensus on the impeachment motion, whether the government can initiate these proceedings. Because remember, the judiciary was necessarily isolated from the regular inquiry procedures that the rest of the country follows.